Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. It's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear.
Hey everyone, I'm Manati, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys some simple ways to make money as a teenager this summer. Basically, I've done 2 more videos like this on my channel. Go check them out down below. This is a 3rd one because y'all like these videos and they get a lot of views, so I'm guessing y'all like the videos. Also kind of a part 3 of this getting your bag series, so yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I am on the road to 10,000. Yeah, just like the video, support me in any way. I really appreciate it. If you don't, you're low-key a hater, but it's fine, but you know, whatever. So yeah, like the video, comment and subscribe. So yeah, low-key I'm repeating stuff from my last video because I need to say this again because it's still how to make money. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat stuff from my other videos, but obviously in different ways. Like, I'm not gonna say exactly the same thing. Sell things on Vinted, Depop, Poshmark, anything like that. That's such a good way to make money. But also, my sister used to do this. I'm not sure if she does this anymore, but basically she would go thrift shopping, go to a charity shop, a vintage shop, like a thrift shop, and basically she would buy some cute pieces that, you know, people would buy. Then she'd resell them on Vinted or Depop or anything, but for a higher price, meaning she makes more money and she makes a profit basically. So I think that's even like low-key a business. Like, it is a business because you're making profit from it, you know, and you're making money that you didn't have before from it. So I think that's such a good way. Like, I'm spilling the tea for y'all because yeah, my sister does this and, you know, she's gotten quite a lot of money from it, so I would definitely recommend doing it. And yeah, number 2, I have start social media. I've obviously said this before, but if social media is generally something you've wanted to do and you're passionate about, I think it is a great way to make money. And obviously it's a bit harder with social media because it's not like you don't get the money straight away, but I do think in the long run, you know, it is worth it because, you know, people make a lot of money off of social media, like a lot, like more than you would know. So, you know, I think it's a good thing to do, like starting a YouTube channel, start TikToks, maybe like do get ready with me type TikToks, you know, those TikToks. For most people it's hard because like we don't have like the glow recipe. Like, glow recipe be expensive, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, like I looked because I was watching like get ready with me, so I was like, oh, people are using this toner, let me go see how much it is. Why am I buying this much for a toner? No, if you really want to do this, you can do this. Like, you can do this. The summer is a great time to start a channel because people are at home, so you know, they're watching more YouTube, so obviously more likely to get more views, but also you have a lot of time in your hands, so obviously you can film and edit as much as you would like to, and then increase your chance of maybe going big or going viral. So yeah. Then number 3, I have start an Instagram page on graphics. By this I mean learn how to do intros, learn how to make channel art. Okay, those are stuff that you can make for other people. One of my YouTube friends, actually, Victoria Marie, she has really good editing. Like, her editing is amazing. Okay, basically what she does is she has like these kind of intro templates that she makes, but then if you want her to make that intro template for you, you go DM her and then she'll obviously charge you for it. Then you'll get that intro template that she has in one of your like previews or intros. But yeah, she basically does that, and I think that's such a great way to make use of the talent that she already has. I'm gonna link her channel down below, y'all, because she's amazing. She's so good. and you can do that as well. Like learn how to do it, and then you know, you can hopefully make money from it, and I think that's great. Number 4, obviously I have start your own business, because it's not too late to start your own business. Like yo, like start your own business. I don't know, like it's a very vague kind of start your own business. There's so much you could do, guys. There's so much you could do. Like you could learn how to do nails, do other people's nails. Like this, I got these done at like a nail place, but I think like I've seen so many people who like they do their business at home, so like you kind of have to come to their house to get your nails done, and it's still great and they still make loads of money. So you know, this is for my black girlies, but you know, if you're really good at hair and you know how to do like braids, like different type of hair, like faux locks, anything like that, and you're really good at hair, turn it into a business. Like let people know. Go on Redbubble. Okay, so if you're good at like, if you know, like graphic design, digital art. I used to be a digital art girly, like very much so. Not really my thing anymore, but I think if you're really into it, you know, you can make some bank off of it. So there's this website called Redbubble. Basically they will take your artwork, your digital art, basically turn it into stickers, turn it into merch, put it on, I don't know, like different stuff like that. And some people will literally just do like a kind of like a text, like you know that t-shirt that says like hot person at work, or something like that, or like just like a cute saying, and then they'll upload it onto Redbubble, and then Redbubble puts it on like cute little t-shirts, or you know, tote bags and stuff like that, and then you get the money, and you don't have to handle like the shipping, the like all of that, you know, that's on Redbubble. But I'm pretty sure there's like more that goes into it. You'd obviously have to like do more research than what I'm telling you right now, but it's a very good thing to get into, and I think once you're actually into it, you can make so much money, like a lot. I've seen, okay, I've seen and heard. Then I have this one, which I've once again said before, but be a tutor. Oh, not the raspy voice, but be a tutor. Like by this, like you don't have to be super smart, like yo, like you don't have to be super smart. Like maybe you could tutor like people who are younger than you, so you already know those stuff, or you can tutor people your age if you're like really smart. So yeah, or tutor like younger kids, you know, 1 + 1, 1 + 1, yep, it makes 2, you know. Obviously, you know, I don't mean that, but you get what I mean. So the next one I have, I think it's something I've said before, but I'm gonna go into more detail in this video. So affiliate marketing, I'm gonna tell you what this is. I do it. You don't have to be an influencer, but I think it's mainly known by influencers, but I'm gonna let you know from my perspective, because I do like social media. But affiliate marketing is basically, let's say I'm wearing this top. Y'all like, Unedi, where's that top from? It's from H&M, by the way, but okay, where's that top from? And I'm like, oh, click the link in my description, it's linked down below. Then you go click that link, and then let's say the top is like, I don't know, 10 pounds. So the top is 10 pounds. The top is 10 pounds. You buy the top, and then it means I get a percentage of that money. It's usually the lower percentages, not like you don't get like 80%, but like 20%. So then it would mean I get 2 pounds, but like that's no extra charge on you, but I get part of that. And then like H&M gets 8 pounds because it's an affiliate link, so I gain from that because I expose you to that product. So do y'all understand? Are y'all keeping up? Keep up. Yeah, we give you examples of affiliate programs I'm a part of, and yeah. So first one, I'm a part of the Amazon Associates program. I think Amazon affiliate and Amazon associate program is different. I'm not entirely sure about how, like, the ins and outs, but I'm part of the Amazon influencer program, so I'm an associate and affiliate. So basically what that means is I get like sort of invited to like virtual events to do with Amazon. Like they teach me how to like sort of improve my storefront, get my audience on my Amazon, you know, different things like that. That's like the associate kind of side of it and influencer side of it, then affiliate kind of influencery side of it is basically I have an Amazon storefront, which go support your girl down below. If you want to get something off of Amazon, like literally anything, go check out my storefront, you guys, and support your girl. Yeah, but basically it's a storefront that I have. It's basically, I have categories sort of different things. Like I have a like self-care category, I have a makeup category, I have room decor, I have stationery, I have a lot of stuff on there. Then someone checks out my storefront and you know, they're scrolling, they're like, oh, I want that, and then they buy it, and then I get a percentage again of it. Yeah, you're following. Then this is kind of similar, but you know, I'll be wearing or having something from Amazon. Like these are my blue light glasses, y'all, they're from Amazon, and you know, I can link them down below, and then if you guys go purchase them, then I get a percentage of that money, but you don't get like an extra cost. Also, I'm a part of the YESSTYLE influencer program. Okay, for all these programs that I'm going to mention, you do have to apply to them, and there is a possibility that you will get denied, but you know, I'm not too sure about how they kind of like the numbers that you need or anything like that. But I think obviously if you're a smaller creator, you're more likely to be rejected than, you know, obviously a bigger creator than you. But I think it's worth trying, I guess, you know, if maybe once you get bigger. But basically I'm a part of the YESSTYLE influencer program. That's why, you know, I do quite a lot of like YESSTYLE hauls on my channel, because I'm part of their program. So you know, they gift me items and you know, I make videos on them. But also, you know, I can do maybe sponsorships with YESSTYLE. That's when they pay me, but also give me the free items to promote, but also pay me. But I can just have like gifted collaborations with them where it's just like they've just given me the free clothes and then I've just made a video, but I've not had any money from them, if that makes sense. So yeah, but yeah, those are kind of the main ones I'm a part of. I'm a part of quite a lot, so I can't mention all of them in this video, but those are the ones that come to my mind. But yeah, once again, you obviously do have to apply, but you know, I think once you get in, it's a really good thing to do, and I would recommend doing your obviously research. I did a lot of research before actually applying, especially to the Amazon influencer program. It was quite a long process, since Amazon is obviously a big company, so it's a long tedious process. But I think for me it was definitely worth it, because you know, I've made quite a lot of money off Amazon, and yeah, I think it's amazing. So yeah, I've said this before, but Fiverr is a very good website if you've got something, once again, that you're super talented in, that sort of kind of can be like shared virtually, I guess. Book covers, people charge, like I've seen like a lot to make a book cover. So obviously, you know, if you're good at like sort of art and you're like artist vibes, like yeah, I draw like fashion sketches, I also like painting. Why is this turning into a whole Q&A? You didn't ask, you're here for the real tea. But yeah, if you are really good at art and you know, you think that could be something you'd want to get into, Fiverr is a really good website. You know, you could also do video editing on there. You know, if you're good at graphics, once again, you could edit people's videos. You could, there's so much you could do on Fiverr. Like there's so much things that you didn't know people would actually, you know, pay you to do, like a book cover. Like I don't, like you would think that, but you wouldn't think like someone normal who's just good at art can actually get paid to do a book cover if it is really that good. But it can, they can. So obvious, but get a summer job. I'm looking for a summer job as well, so I think it's a good kind of thing to do. But also, you know, I'm finished with school, so I really want a job, because I'm finally 16, so I can get a job, and I've been looking for a job. It's something that I want to do because I want my bag. Okay, I want that bank. Just get a summer job at like, I don't know, local cafe, local restaurant, like near your house or something like that, or really anywhere. Like just be like a waitress or anything and get your bag. Like do babysitting. But by this, look, if you have like relatives that have like a younger kid or something and you know they need looking after, you could be like, oh, I can do it, you know, and then charge them for it, like I don't know, like your baby cousins or something like that. That's if you're like good with kids, I guess, because if you don't really like babies or toddlers, then obviously this ain't for you, babe. But yeah, y'all, that is all I have for today's video. This was kind of, you know, a more in-depth video of what I've said before, you know, with affiliate marketing. I put y'all on. Don't say I didn't. Don't give credit where it's due. Subscribe to my channel, go to 10K. I love you so much. You're amazing. Get that bag. I love you. Bye bye. Get that bag. No, actually get that bag though. Do these stuff that I told you, because y'all be watching these videos and you just don't do anything after. Like actually do it.
Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh?